How to turn off push or fetch email on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. On this page, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. Scroll down the list and tap on Mail. From here, you can add or remove accounts, manage Siri and search, and customize how your mail appears. Then, go to Mail Accounts. Tap on Fetch New Data below to open the delivery settings. At the top of this page, turn off the push switch so mail is not delivered automatically in the background. This stops instant updates and gives you control over when email refreshes. Then, go to the Fetch section at the bottom and select Manually to disable scheduled fetching system-wide. With push off and fetch set to manually, new messages only load when you open the Mail app and refresh. Following these steps, you can easily turn off push or fetch email on iPhone.